representation. We now go on to a further elucidation, if you will, of some of the projects that we've mentioned, beginning with Mission Life and the edam project. And I think we have Sudesan Vidadharan here. Would you like to begin, please? Thank you. Do you know how to put on the mic? Yeah, just press the mic, please. Thank you. Thanks. Yeah.
Good afternoon, all of you. Very distinguished person on the dais and other distinguished persons. I am Sudesan. I am here to make a small presentation on edam. As said in the first inaugural session, edam means space for all, land for all. This land is for all. New York is for all, just like that. So this is a tag name given to the developmental initiative by the Honorable MLA for her constituency. We have 140 constituencies in the state of Kerala. Kundra is one. The purpose of this initiative is to transform that constituency into a model constituency in terms of local development, which is the objectives of SDGs. Model in terms of local development by converging various programs and projects of governments, which is the objectives of SDG. Next. You see the total population of that constituency is 272,000. Very interesting. The needs of the society, the requirements of the society should be decided by the people themselves. So we are creating an awareness among the people that the people should decide the priorities. The leaders should facilitate. Leaders only act. Leaders only lead. One example, for example, we have conducted a water assemblies for conserving the water in the constituency. The people of the constituency were grouped into 400 to 500 for very micro level intervention. We've done PR activities, water assemblies. They propose projects and they decide priorities. On that, we decide projects. So our Honorable Minister will decide from where the funds should be procured. So these are the pictorial examples of water assemblies. The MLA will only facilitate and act as the leader. A resource. Government schematic funds and government programs or funds of the local bodies are the resources. Then educational institutions are our resources. Services of NGOs, organizations, youth, students, individuals, they consider it as a social capital. So our focus, generating livelihood activities by promoting agriculture, livestock, small-scale employment, eradicating poverty, special care for children and aged, healthcare to all with a special focus on strengthening government hospitals, educational empowerment of marginalized sections, development of youth. Educational empowerment of marginalized, development of youth, advanced facilities for all government schools, and women empowerment. The drinking water facilities to all. Effective management and conservation of natural resources with a special focus on water bodies and focus over. Electricity to all households, we have already achieved. Electricity to all households. A skill upgradation training to all youth. IT-related local initiatives for employment generation. The promotion of industry. The special initiatives for CST and marginalized section. Total rural road connectivity. House for all households and land for all landlords. Promotion of responsible tourism. As you know, Kerala is a very interesting tourism destination. Our state is known as God's own country. The promotion of arts and culture, effective waste management, focusing on decentralized and source level solutions, strengthening public amenities, ensuring social security measures, set up of legal counseling centers under the local body institutions, schools and colleges, our focus, public help and guidance centers under Akshaya centers, develop the police stations in the constituency as model police stations and make them women and child friendly police stations. 50% of the police station in the constituency to have a child desk in association with the student police cadet program of the state government. In Kerala, we have students police cadet group. To install complaint boxes at the various locations throughout the constituency, which shall be addressed to the every fortnight. building strong government-private partnership for implementation and upkeep of projects. So these are the missions we have our district collector have already mentioned. These are the missions initiated by the government of Kerala for focusing. Then the governance. The Honorable MLA will always visit the people, actually, by hearing their voice, listening to their legal demands, sincerely interacting with the public. A leader who interacts with the public really brings a democratic answerability to the system. So the MLA regularly visited the constituency. On pre-announced day in every month, the MLA will be stationed for a particular day, particular office to meet the public. It will be a continuing dialogue exercise between the people and their leader. Hearing the people is a democratic process. So these are the basic statistics of the constituency. We have homeless, 1,622 homeless people, landless 4,460. We have 97 schools. 140 colonies, this is the population, these are the basic status of our constituency. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that presentation, especially the child help desks in police stations, which is a wonderful innovation. Congratulations.